So in this video, I have the all-new Launch 919 Elite Bluetooth version. Is unbeatable for the price point. You're going to see it in action. Right now, we're going to program a key. I'm going to do some diagnostics. I'm going to use the action function test to diagnose problems. I use it on multiple vehicles. I'm not going to make the video too long, but trust me, this scanner is amazing. All right, so I scanned this Range Rover. It's overheating on the gauge, but I'm able to look at the live data and it's normal. So there's a fault with the gauge. It's not working correctly. So with the launch scan tool, I was able to confirm that I did not have an overheating condition, that the instrument cluster was faulty. Thanks to the live data, I was getting the information that was going from the sensor to the ECU and the temperature sensor to be exact. And I was able to tell and confirm that the car was not overheating. I did run a full diagnostic or health report, and I got every single DTC on every single module. So this is a true full system scanner. So now let's program a key to the vehicle. And we got a couple of options here. We got immobilizer information. We'll check that out in a bit. We got replace immobilizer unit, keyless transmitter registration keys, and replace ECU PCM. So right here with the immobilizer information, we can actually see how many keys are programmed to the vehicle. So to my surprise, there's 4 keys that are registered to my vehicle. I only have 2 of those keys. So there's 2 keys out there that can start my car right up. But luckily with the scan tool, we do have an option to reprogram the keys. So let's say you lose a copy of a key, or someone has a copy of the key that's no longer authorized to use your vehicle and you don't want them to take your vehicle without permission. You're able to rewrite the key, reprogram the key. As you can see, we have rewrite key option. We have add a key, which is basically making a copy, and we have all keys lost. So if you lost all your keys, you're able to program a key, no problem here. So here's the key we're about to program. It's a great looking key. It's brand new. It's ready to go. It just needs to be programmed. And as you can see, it will not start the vehicle whatsoever. It'll crank, but it will not start, and that's because we have the immobilizer chip inside that we need to program to the vehicle. So let's do that right now. So let's add a key. So let's check if the key programming was successful. Will it start? Yep, it started right up. So now it's time to do a full system scan or health report. I got a check engine light on, and we're going to use the diagnostic tools, the action tests or actuation tests to help diagnose the problem. So the Launch 919 Elite Bluetooth does have a very nice built-in screen recorder. It's very fast as well. So depending on the protocol, it's only as fast as the system will let it go, but it's a very fast scan tool. It will scan every single module once again. So our troubleshooting code is P0497 EVAP system low purge flow detected. It's current and also temporary, so that's an intermittent code. So let's do a function test so we can diagnose the problem. So the function test is pretty awesome. It's a self-diagnostic system for your vehicle to help you diagnose the problem. It will vary by year, make, and model. The procedure will vary by year, make, and model. For example, I have to remove the gas cap, just turn the key on, turn the key off, and it's going to run a test to help determine what the problem is. Very advanced, pretty awesome. So during the test, you're able to see the components work in real time. So my purge valve solenoid was working great, no problems there. So now I know that's not the problem. So test results, possible failure, and of course it's going to tell you to check a loose gas cap because that is the most common reason for this troubleshooting code. Now here are the possible failures. Purge valve stuck closed, disconnection or clog of the lines between the fuel tank and the charcoal canister vent valve. And it turned out to be the charcoal canister. It's clogged, so I did replace it and I don't have the code no longer. So this scan tool, the 919 Elite Bluetooth, certainly exceeded my expectations. So I love the fact that it's Bluetooth. It has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, a powerful processor, Android 10, and a very premium UI experience. And usually this is reserved for more higher end scanners, like in $1,000 range, 800 to 1,000 and plus. So it's incredible value for your money. I couldn't recommend it enough. Hands down, it's the best scanner at this price point, unbeatable. So I'll leave a link to the product in the description box. Check it out. You might find it on sale.